Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to go next line in Excel merge cell. So let's start this in my Excel. So I just first show you here to merge cell. Simply select the cell those you want to merge and go to the home tab. In alignment group have a merge option. Just click on it and you can see the all selected cells is merged in one cell. Okay, now just double click on this cell and you can write anything those you want. So I just simply write next line in merge cell. Okay, now for next line you can press the alt enter key. Okay, now here you can write anything in Excel. You can press alt enter key to next line. Okay, so I just enter here, please subscribe. For next line, alt enter key my channel. Okay, now here I want to set here top side. Simply select the cell. You can see there is some space here showing. Again go to the home tab. In alignment group have one option, top alignment. Just click on it and you can see here the text is aligned on top side. Okay, so this is a way you can go to next line in Excel in merge cell. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.